Okay. Um, for this video, I will be answering those questions that some people ask me. Okay, so sa anong paraan ka pwedeng ligawan ng guy? Mm, well, I think it's normal kung ano yung paraan na gusto ko na ligawan ako ng guy. Nandyan yung effort, andyan yung time, andyan yung pagiging respectful niya, and yung respect niya sa sarili mo, and also being himself, and yeah. And nakaka-flatter na rin pagka this guy really gives you yung flowers and then yung gifts, di ba? Okay, anong gusto mong gawin niya to make you say yes? And then again, what I just said, yung effort, yung time, and yung respect niya sa sarili mo, sa kanya, and also yung pagpapakita niya how interested he is to you. Yun. Okay, why you're singkit? Mahilig ka ba matulog when you were little kaya ka naging singkit? No. Actually, why I'm singkit? Because we are actually part Chinese in my mother's side. And paano ba magbastad ng lalaking naninigaw sa'yo in a way na hindi siya magkakaroon ng hatred sa'yo? If I were you, I'd actually have this one-on-one talk with that guy and i-explain mo sa kanya kung bakit it's not gonna be working out with him. So, para maintindihan niya, di ba? So, because you don't wanna actually leave him hanging na parang hindi niya alam kung what happened, why you just left him, right? So, tell him the truth and be straight up to him so he would actually feel, I don't know, he would actually feel less sad, I guess, or less mad if something happens. And para rin, you would feel less guilty, di ba? Okay. Paano ka ba magpa-cute? Blinking those eyes or making loud noise? Magpa-cute. I don't even think I do that. Ganun eh. Well, blinking those eyes or making loud noise. I don't know, cause different people, meron silang different strategies kung paano magpa-cute, let's say. Okay, some people are cute in their own ways, right? I mean, everyone is actually cute in their own ways. Yung iba, they make loud noise, tulad ng sabi mo, and yung iba, blinking those eyes. But I don't think that's actually a definition of, para how you look cute, right? Okay, how would you feel if this guy you like most is just making you paasa? Okay. Um, well, I've been there actually, and how would I feel? Really sad. So, I don't even think that's a good idea na he's just making you paasa. Paasa. If I were you, I'd actually have it, like, I'd ask him if what's going on, diba? Because you don't want to be waiting for nothing. Okay? Um, Paano ka ba kumain when you're on a date? Normal ba or nagpapakit habang kumakain? You wanna be normal on a date. Okay? Because that person would actually like you for how you act in front of him, lalo na sa date. Yan ang pinapakita mong appearance mo sa kanya. So, he's expecting you to be like that for the whole time na magkasama kayo. Let's say, kung wala sa first date, parang hindi ka humikibo, then parang hindi naman nakaka-interest yun, di ba? So, on first date, you wanna show how you really are. Okay? And if hindi ka man kumikibo sa first date, then kung ganun nga talaga yung ugali mo, for sure, that right guy na para sa'yo would darating rin siya, and that's the right person. Or that's the right, wait for the right person na mag-accept sa'yo for how you are and who you are. Okay? Maski quiet ka, maingay ka, makulit ka, he would like you. Okay, how will you confront how will you confront someone like seriously who had bad breath or body odor? That's sad. Huwag mong gawin to. Huwag mong gawin ganyan. Huwag kang mag-make ng signs na nag-sideways ka. No, don't do that because that is really insulting. If I were you, pagtsagaan ko na lang. Okay? And understand the person. He or she probably has a reason kung bakit ganyan siya. Okay? Um, Sinong pipiliin mo? Yung taong mahal na mahal mo pero lagi ka namang sinasaktan? Or yung taong hindi mo mahal pero napapasaya ka niya? Well, ang puso pinipili yung taong mahal mo, maski hindi ka niya mahal. Pero ang utak, dapat gamitin mo ang utak mo, okay? Ang utak, usually, they would go for the person na hindi mo mahal, pero mahal ka niya. Because sooner or later, matututunan mo rin namang mahalin tong tao na to dahil pinapakita niya sa yung effort at saka yung pagmamahal na binibigay niya sa'yo. Okay. um, are you a good cook? Am I a good cook? Um, I know how to cook. Yeah. How do you feel about moving out for college? Well, I feel kinda sad konti, pero I know that I can um do it and I could stand by myself alone somehow and try to be independent now because I am actually growing old na rin, so I can do that. And can you play any music instruments or sing? I can play basic guitar. Can I sing? Everyone can sing.